kind of want to get one of those backrests for mine, dude. Looks kind of cool.
It is cool. Like, I plan on keeping it.
I got a photo of you.
Nice. What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob from ItsLeatherWeather. I am currently on my way to look at another bike. I really didn't think I'd have something like this in my plans this soon, but I just kind of had the idea. I want something to learn and stunt on, so tried to find something that was relatively cheap, but I didn't want something that was too small. So right now I'm on my way to go check something out. Hopefully it's worth looking at. But honestly, I'm really excited about it, and I've been looking forward to it since I messaged this guy. It looks like it's pretty clean, so we'll see when I actually show up, but the guy's only like an hour away from me, which is super nice. Everything else I was looking at was like 3 or 4 hours, so yeah, hopefully this checks out. Just to give you a hint, just because I'm excited and I want to give it away and I want to show you or tell you what I've got. It is I'll give you a hint, it is a 1995. It's red and has 26,000 miles. Those are probably the only hints I'm going to be able to give, until you see it. I decided I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm on my way right now. My ride awaits me. Got the setup. Stop for gas. What'd he get? What'd you get? Your little Starbies, little iced flat white. Little lady. Little lady. Yeah. Yeah.
Station is on the right.
With the Silverado in it. Yeah.
Dude, it's cheesing.
You want to take it for a rip?
Nah, it's fine.
You sure?
It's all good. Do it at your place. Shit's fucking loud, dude.
Yeah.
Cruise ships out here?
Yeah, it did. Sound like we were at the port.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that gas cap.
It's the king.
It is.
King of the jungle. Yeah, I kind of want one of these Baja headlights. If you want to sell it, let me know.
Yeah, I'll see how it works or how good it looks.
Yeah, if you don't want it, I'll grab it. They're kind of expensive too.
Not that one. That one's probably from Amazon. Dude, I did not think I would ever own a second bike like this soon.
Yeah.
Or at least not like, I thought I was gonna buy like some little KX or like DRZ.
Man's the same. Give me the Harley.
Yeah, I that's the only way that I feel like I'd I'm really gonna learn.
Yeah.
Otherwise I have to
Just
upgrade a
riding
second
along.
time. I mean, it's pretty quick. It's not slow.
Yeah, it didn't look that slow. I don't want to go on those backrests for mine, dude. Looks kind of cool.
It is cool. Like, I plan on keeping it.
I got a photo of you. Look at that beautiful dam. Is that a waterfall?
That's a dam.
Is that a dam?
It was a dam. The hop yard, go get some gay ass IPA.
You got Olive Branch Boutique. Boutique.
Yeah, this is a nice little downtown area. I like this. I'll f with it. I'll f with it.
On a nice little incline.
What's up, dude? I'm Jacob.
Dalton.
Dalton, nice to meet you. You just picked this thing up?
Yeah, Sunday. I left at like 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Got back at like 3 in the morning and went to work the next day at 5.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah. That's what he said. He called you to try and pick him up.
Yeah. Hey, it's funny, we got it from the same person pretty much too.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure Brandon's the one that set up my bike, dude.
Yeah. He had
Bro,
this
this
one.
lever is so light.
Looks like a nightmare to try and get in and out the other way. Nice. Sweet. I can park it. It looks like, yeah, there's no sticker or decal on it anymore, so it has been done at one point. It's honestly a really nice paint job. It's not bad.
On.